Thank you for choosing Blade for your restoration business. In this video, we'll explore key read-only information on the resources page, including support notes, companies, services, and users. To get started, click on Resources, then click on the Support Notes tab. This page provides read-only support notes. Support notes are custom notes you create to help users and adjusters understand and justify your work and service items. They can be configured to print automatically on the invoice. Simply select a trade, and then select from the list of custom support notes. Click the Copy button to copy the note and make it available to be pasted into emails or other docs. Learn more about creating support notes in the Invoice Settings section of the Support Center. The Companies tab displays read-only company contact information and settings. This information is informational for users who need a quick reference to tax ID numbers, addresses, etc. Let's check out the Services tab. If you have not enabled Xactimate integration, this page displays your custom service items and all settings associated with each service item. If Xactimate integration is enabled with your account, this page displays a list of Xactimate line items with all of the Blade settings that make these line items super easy to use. Learn more about service items on the Services page in the Support Center. Okay, let's keep going. Click on the Users tab to view a list of all the users who have been granted access to your Blade account. This information is useful as a contact directory for your users. Learn more about adding and managing users on the Users page in the Support Center. All right, that's a good overview of key reference info on the Resources page. Explore other training modules in the Support Center to get the most from Blade, the software that helps you maximize profit and quickly turn your hard work into cash.